I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage on the stove top. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ideally around 2 pounds. Begin by removing any loose or damaged outer leaves, then give the entire head a good rinse under cool water. Next, carefully cut the cabbage into quarters, and then thinly slice each quarter into uniform strips. This preparation ensures even cooking and a delightful texture for your dish. Now let's build some flavor. Place a large skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter. Once shimmering, toss in 1 medium chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir these aromatics frequently, allowing them to soften and become fragrant. Continue to sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onion turns translucent and sweet. It's time for the star ingredient. Add your prepared sliced cabbage to the skillet, along with a half cup of vegetable or chicken broth. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir to combine, then cover the skillet. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the cabbage is tender crisp. Almost done. Remove the lid from the skillet and continue to cook for another 5 minutes, allowing any remaining liquid to evaporate. For a bright, tangy finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your perfectly cooked stovetop cabbage is now ready to be enjoyed as a flavorful and healthy side dish. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.